Shopkins.
You got Shopkins?
Yeah. And I want to open this.
What do you think's inside of it?
A cookie.
A cookie?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
I think it's a cookie.
Oh, something fell out. What fell out?
And
2 Shopkins. What else did you get in there? Be careful.
Let's look at the Shopkins.
That's the Shopkins list that you can use to check off the ones you get. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Who is it?
It's a blender.
She's
Or a
so
mixer. Here, I'll start this one open for you. There you go.
It's mixy and
Ooh-wee, that's cool. Mixy. Is it Mixy or Maxi? Oh, there's 2 of them there, isn't there?
yeah.
The bowl's one and then the mixer's the other.
Can
That's
you
cool.
help? You got it. What is?
Yellow.
What is she?
What is it? I don't know what it is. It looks like some kind of something edible. What does this look like? Hello, who am I? I don't know. Who is it?
I think I get a cookie one in this side.
You maybe get a cookie in that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Try that one.
Ooh, this one's all open.
Mm-hmm.
You
are
like
cute
those little
little
baskets?
We got a basket.
Okay.
This
I'll
is the
open this
same
for you.
It's the same list as it.
Hold on. I'm going to
Daddy's just
cut
gonna
it.
start out.
There you go. I just cut that one so you can tear it open.
Yeah.
And then I'll
Open
put
your
this
little
one.
Shopkin. Let's see what it is.
What is it?
It's a carrot.
It's a
like a-
carrot? I don't
it's like
know. It's white.
Says it's wild carrot.
Wild carrot.
You were right. That's cute.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Hey, it's a fan.
It's a fan?
Mm-hmm.
That's silly.
Blow in.
Standing them there so we can look at them. It's a fan. The pink fan.
Now I want to open this.
Oh, that's cool. A fan, a carrot, a mixer, and a scony.
We got a pony.
Yep. A squishy pony, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited. Who do you hope it is?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
Do you need help?
No.
No. She said she's going to do it all by herself, but I think she might need some help.
How about just a little bit of help to get it started? You can scoop. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh.
It's Princess Twilight Sparkle.
Princess Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah, yeah. She's pretty. Are you happy with that?
See, here she'll stand up. Oh,
Uh-oh.
she fell down.
Try again.
She's squishy.
And her boy.
She's pulling.
Can I see her? Show everybody what you got.
Um,
Ooh, that's a cool one.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
She's one of your favorite ponies, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Rainbow Dash.
And Rainbow Dash.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
is on your
Pinkie.
headband right here.
It is.
She's a
Rainbow
squashy face.
Dash.
Squashy face.
Rainbow Dash.
I got
Squashy
Rainbow
face.
Dash.
Rainbow Dash headband. That's
Right.
super cute.
There you go. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Rainbow Dash.
I'm Rainbow Dash. I'm Rainbow Dash. I'm Rainbow Dash.
Okay, you got a pretty good haul there, didn't you? You got
Yeah.
You want me to
some
take that off there for you?
Shopkins and
I'll get it for you.
Pony.
Look at your prizes.
Okay, tell everybody bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon.
Say wave at them.
There's your